Good afternoon. Time for YouTube afternoon news. This is Traitors. The video is titled mamat 1024. The video date is October 24th, 2023. The timestamp is just a few minutes in. Not very far at all. This is Traitors playing Nickalina's premiere. What we're capturing here is Nickalina saying she 1900% supports Redstone.
Redstone of murdering. First and foremost, I would like to say that I 1900% support Redstone and what her intentions are going forward regarding Ernie and mamat.
There you have it. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.